ko naman kayo paano magpalit ng bathroom faucet. So we're gonna replace this bathroom faucet. Gonna put a new one. So come on guys, let's go and I'll show you how. Guys, first we need to shut off the bulb here, just like that, and also this one here. So let's remove this one using the adjustable wrench. There you are. And also you need to remove these two plastic nuts. And to use the basin wrench, guys. Let's remove that second one. Alright, it goes down, and just can use our hand to remove the plastic nuts here, and we're gonna put a new one, guys. Hey guys, this is the brand new faucet that we're gonna use for today. So we're gonna put it here, and also we need a two flexible hose. These 3 by 1/2, 12 inches long. So and also there's a two plastic washer or lock nut that goes in here. So let's put it together, guys. And let's put this lock nut. The second one. So I'll just make sure it's like they're even here, guys. So that's not now. So after that, guys, we need to put this supply flexible hose, and I'll show you how. Okay guys, let's go. Hi guys, lagay na natin itong flexible hose. So supply line flexible hose. So first, higpitan nyo lang ng inyong kamay. And then sunod natin the other one with the cold supply. Then also gonna use the adjustable wrench to tighten up a bit. Just there you are. Don't over tight, guys. That's enough. Also this one here. also let's connect the hot side, the hot water line side. Use the adjustable wrench. So just don't overtight, guys. That should be fine. Also this one here. Alright, that should be fine. And after that, guys, let's open the bulb here para makita natin kung may leak. It's for the cold water, this for the hot water. After that, I'm gonna check if that's still just leaking or not. So you can see any leak right now, guys. Testingin natin, guys, yung kinabit nating faucet. Okay, ready? 1, 2. There we are. So hey guys, this is Anox once again. We just finished to install that bathroom faucet, and I would like to say thank you guys for keep supporting my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I would like to say thank you to everyone, especially to all my subscribers, to all my friends and loved ones who keep supporting my channel. Once again, thank you so much.